Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another plan with me. I'm super excited to be planning for this week because I'm going to Texas this weekend. I'm so excited for it. My boyfriend, if you guys didn't know, he lives in Texas, and it's been 3 months since I've seen him last, so I'm very excited. I'm using this kit from Chloe Collectives. She just rebranded her name, and I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, so I'll link it down below. It just comes with glitter headers, and then the date covers and date dots. And then here are the full boxes, and these are so perfect for this week because I'm going to be doing a lot of flying. And yeah. Here are the checklists. I love how hers are the squares instead of hearts. I just think it's super unique. It makes the spread look really clean. Not that I don't like the heart checklist, but yeah. Then we have some half boxes, appointment labels, and quarter boxes. Here is the bottom washi and washi strips, and then just a page of functional stuff. So we have some sidebar stuff, weekend banner, laptop, movie marquee, page flags, bill dues, some checklist flags, some script stuff. I don't know what I was starting to say there. Some script stuff, and then just a few little icons and things like that. So I am going to do a voiceover for this because I'm going to do a plan as I go style for this week, except for the weekend. I will come back and memory plan when I get back I get back Monday night at midnight, so like Tuesday. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the voiceover. Alright, so while I'm just getting my washi put down, my date covers, and setting up my sidebar like I usually do, I did just want to mention that if you are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And leave a comment down below asking me anything that you would like for me to answer in my next video. And you will also get a shout out if you leave a question down below. So be sure to do that if you want to be featured in my next video. So I just laid down the bottom washi as usual in my hourly planner. I don't like to trim the bottom washi, just because I feel like there's already enough white space, and I just like to cover up most of those lines. In my Erin Condren vertical, I do usually like to trim my washi though, so that way there's more white space. I just feel like it looks less cluttered. So I'm putting down the numbers that come with the date covers, and then I'm just going to lay down those. So this week I did go to Texas and I had so much fun, but now that I'm back, it's definitely pretty depressing. For the last 3 years, my boyfriend and I have been in a long distance relationship, so we've only seen each other like 4 times a year, and it sucks, but we're almost done, and it's definitely made our relationship stronger. So as much as I wish it was different, I honestly probably wouldn't change it because I don't know if our relationship would be as strong as it is now without that, because we've definitely had to trust each other and all of that cliche stuff. So moving on to the sidebar, I started with my quote box. This quote just says "Adventure awaits," and I definitely had an adventure this week, and I loved every single minute of it. I also decided to cover up the page flags. I was going to leave them since I thought that they were both purple, but only the September ones are purple. So I did just cover up both of them to make them match, and I had to white them out first because these page flags didn't fit exactly the same size as the hourly ones. I believe the hourly ones are a little bit bigger than the vertical ones. And so now I'm just doing the one on the other side. Going back to my sidebar, I just put down a glitter header and a Monday through Sunday tracker. Then I think I do it off camera, but I do add a this week script sticker on top of that glitter header, just to take up some more space there. Then I put down another glitter header and my 2 habit trackers. The first one I used to mark reading, so I tried to read at least like 5 pages every single day. And then the second one is to mark wearing my retainers, since I did have braces and I'm really bad about that. Then this next part is cut off a little bit, but I put down another glitter header and a checklist, and then I think off camera I put down a next week script sticker from the kit on top of the glitter header. I just did that to track some to-dos that I had coming up, since I was going to be pretty busy with traveling. I just want to make sure I didn't forget anything. Starting at the top of Monday, I put down a half box and a stethoscope sticker from my shop, CactusPaperCo, to mark that I had a CT scan, and it was awful, honestly. Like, the actual scan itself was really quick and easy, and except for the IV that I had to have put in my arm. I hate needles. But the stuff they made me drink was just awful, and I didn't even drink all of it because they gave me the same amount that they give like full-grown men, and I'm like the size of a full-grown man. So I didn't even drink all of it because there was no way I could have. I was gagging and all kinds of stuff. That film script sticker is from Nightingale Paper Co., and the dog with the camera is from Sticker Sis. Then moving on to Tuesday, I put down a glitter header with a 3-square checklist. Under that, I put down a quarter box with a YouTube sticker from the Honeybee shop and an upload sticker from Nightingale Paper Co. Then I just put down the full box with the airplanes, and I did want to try to keep that one up towards the top more, since the bottom washi did have that same pattern also. I just wanted to kind of split them up. Then I put down an appointment label with another stethoscope sticker from my shop, Sunset Sticker Co., to mark another doctor's appointment that I had. Since I'm home from the summer, we are trying to like get all of my doctor's appointments out of the way, because once I move back to college, I probably won't be home until Thanksgiving. Then I put down a half box on Wednesday, and that girl with the laptop sticker is from Chasing Chelsea. I just used that to mark that I had one of my finals due. This week was also finals. I forgot to mention that, or maybe I mentioned it in the intro, I don't remember. So it was pretty stressful with trying to get all of that done and get ready to leave on my trip, but I definitely relaxed quite a bit over the weekend. Then I put down a glitter header and a checklist, a full checklist. I had a little bit of difficulty getting it lined up straight and covering up all of the numbers, so I did have to move like the glitter header up a little bit so I could get it straight enough. Moving on to Thursday, I started with a glitter header, and then I just put down one of the 3-square checklists. Thursday was also my shop anniversary, so I used a half box with the airplane sticker from Chasing Chelsea, because I was flying out that day, so of course I needed to mark my flight, although there was definitely no way I was going to be missing that. I was way too excited for it. And nervous. I hate flying, especially by myself. If I'm with someone else, I don't mind it at all, but I just have really bad anxiety when flying, and my eardrums ruptured a few years ago when we were on a plane flying to Nebraska, and ever since then they hurt really bad when flying, so I hate it. I put down another half box underneath the full box to mark that it was my 1-year shop anniversary, and that tassel banner is from Charm and Print. And I cannot believe that it's been over a year now since I opened my shop. It's just insane, and I can't believe how fast it's grown. On Friday, I put down a full box at the top and then a glitter header. Underneath the glitter header, I put down a appointment label with this little bow. It was from a freebie, so I don't remember what shop that was from. I just marked that I was in the Planner Shops United sale, which I actually did not end up participating in. There was just a lot of drama that ended up happening in that sale, and I didn't want to be a part of it. It was not worth the drama or the stress or any of that, even though I did put a lot of time and effort and essentially money into the sale, so that was pretty disappointing, but it is what it is. So I just went ahead and put down the rest of my full boxes, and then I moved back to Wednesday and put down a couple more script stickers from Nightingale Paper Co. Just to mark when I was going to film, edit, and upload. And then I also added this giant laptop sticker from the kit to mark that it was the last day of summer term. I was so happy that the term was over, because I hate summer classes, honestly. Like, they're so stressful, just because I'd rather like go do summer stuff than sit at home and have to finish all my schoolwork. That little penguin is from CactusPaperCo, I believe. So now this is when I got back from my trip on Thursday. I'm putting down an appointment label with this little cute character sticker eating from Tiny Little Tulips. Is that the shop name? That sounds weird now that I'm saying it. But I just marked that we went to this place called the Rib Hut. That relax sticker is from Stick With Me shop. The Rib Hut place, they had more than just ribs, but they had these giant baked potatoes with boneless buffalo wings. If you guys don't know, potatoes of any kind are my absolute favorite food ever, and buffalo wings, like boneless wings, are probably my second favorite. So the boneless wings were in the potato, like they cut it open, baked it, cut it open, and put them in there with like the hot sauce and stuff. And then it came with like cheese and ranch, but instead of cheese and ranch, I got sour cream on mine, and it was so freaking good. It was amazing. That car sticker is from Inky and the Brain. We also went and saw Crazy Rich Asians, which was super good. It was my boyfriend's second time seeing it, and he really liked it, and I was surprised because it's kind of a chick flick, so I'm surprised that he actually liked it, but it was really good. On the bottom of Saturday, I just wanted to make sure I had enough room to mark that we went to this little plaza thing, and it's really cool at night because they didn't have it this time for some reason, but all the trees all the way around it are wrapped in like string lights, so it's all lit up. It was really cool. And then since Senator McCain had just died, there were two giant buildings. One had like the American flag lights all the way around the entire building, like on this huge skyscraper. I mean, it's not like huge like New York size, but it was pretty big. And then another one had lights at the bottom of it that were shining up, that were red, white, and blue. So it was just like stripes. So that was really cool. And then we just got churros and a cucumber lemonade. On Saturday, that syrup sticker is from my shop, Sunset Sticker Co. The little TV is from the Honeybee shop. The French fries are from Nightingale Paper Co. And then we went to a baseball game before we had gone to that plaza, and it was really cool because the entire night was Harry Potter themed, and so the fireworks were synchronized to Harry Potter music. And it was awesome. I loved it. Like, it was way better than both of us thought it would be. Harry Potter is one of my favorite movies and book series, so that was really cool. The pancake sticker and the taco sticker are both from my shop, and then the penguin watching TV is from my Planning Addictions. And as always, I'll have a coupon code to her shop link down below. The bowling sticker is from Just Planning Around. And then after we went bowling, we went and watched the sunset. So the sticker I put down for that here in a second is from Planning Like a Pro. But unfortunately, we didn't get to finish watching the sunset because I had to go to the bathroom really bad. Like, I drank way too much tea, so we had to like go find a bathroom. There weren't bathrooms up where we were watching the sunset. So it was still cool though. Like, we got to see the sun setting a little bit. So that's it for this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!